How to convert a Word document to PDF. Step 1. Open the Word document. First, open the Word document that you want to convert to PDF. Locate the Word document on your computer. Double-click on the document to open it in Microsoft Word. Step 2. Click on File and Save As. Next, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the Word window, and then select Save As. A drop-down menu will appear with various saving options. Step 3. Choose PDF as the file format. In the Save As dialog box, choose the location where you want to save the PDF file and provide a name for the file. Select the desired location on your computer or cloud storage. Enter a suitable name for the PDF file. Step 4. Select PDF as the file format. Now in the Save As Type or Format drop-down menu, select PDF as the file format. The available options may vary depending on the version of Microsoft Word you're using. Ensure that PDF is selected as the file format. Step 5. Click on Save. Finally, click on the Save button to convert the Word document to PDF. Microsoft Word will convert the document and save it as a PDF file in the selected location. And that's it for our YouTube shorts on how to convert a Word document to PDF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share.